next one. This is letter B. B like bear. B, B, B like butterfly. B, B, B like boat. B, B, B like bird. And here we go. This is letter C. C like cow. C, C, C. C like corn. C, C, C like corn. C, C, C like cat. Let's sing the next one. This is letter D. D, D, D like dinosaur. D, D, D like duck. D, D, D like dog. D, D, D like diamond. Beat ready for more? This is letter E. E, 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 E like elephant. E, E, E like eagle. E, E, E like earth. E, E, E like eye. You love next letter coming. This is letter F. F, F, F like fox. F, F, F like frog. F, F, F like fish. F, F, F like fan. Here comes another. This is letter G. G, G, G like gorilla. G, 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 G like goat. G, G, G like guitar. G, G, G like goose. Let's keep going. This is letter H. H, H, H like hamburger. H, H, H like helicopter. H, H, H like honey. H, H like horse. On we go! This is letter I. I like iguana. I like ice cream. I like island. I like igloo. Next one, children. This is letter J. J, J, J like jelly. J, J, J like jungle. J, J, J like jam. J, J, J like jet. This is letter K. K, K, K like koala. K, K, K like kitten. K, K, K like kangaroo. K, K, K like ketchup. Here comes the next. This is letter L. L, L, L like ladybug. L, L, L like lemon. L, L, L like lollipop. L, L, L like lion. Well, now another. This is letter M. M, M, M like mouse. M, M, M like moon. M, M, M like monkey. M, M, M like mountain. Let's keep going. This is letter N. N, N, N like necklace. N, N, N like newspaper. N, N, N like marbles. N, N, N like nest. Hennet, ready for more. This is letter O. O, O, O like octopus. O, O, O like owl. O, O, O like onion. O, O, O like orange. The next one is coming. This is letter P. P, P, P like panda. P, P, P like pizza. P, P, P like parrot. P, P, P like pig. Here we go. This is letter Q. Q, Q, Q like quilt. Q, Q, Q like quartz. Q, Q, Q like queen. Q, Q, Q like quack. Hey, look, sing the next one. This is letter R. R, R, R like rabbit. R, R, R like rainbow. R, R, R like rose. R, R, R like robot. And on we go. This is letter S. S, S, S like snake. S, S, S like sheep. S, S, S like sun. S, S, S like strawberry. And now the next one. spelled from A to Z. Clap your hands, shout hooray. Let's sing our letters once more today.